Hey guys, Mike here. Today I'm going to show you how to find an Instagram user ID. First, let's go to Google and search for CodeOfaNinja.com tools. And on the search result, we will see this one, find Instagram user ID. Let's click it. And you will see this form where you can enter the Instagram username that you want to use. So for this example, we're going to use Apple. So we want to find the Instagram user ID of Apple and click enter or click the blue button. After clicking it, you'll find the instructions here. So let's follow it. It says that you need to go to the Instagram profile of the Instagram username you entered by clicking this button. And after clicking it, let's right click the page and view page source. You will see a bunch of code, but we don't need to worry about it. So let's just Control F to find this text, profile page underscore. Don't forget the underscore. And after that, Google Chrome will highlight the text like this, and your Instagram user ID is the numbers after the profile page text. So this is the Instagram user ID that you can copy and use for any reasons that you might need to. So that's how easy it is. I'm gonna show you another example. For example, let's do Maroon 5. And let's click this one. It will show the Maroon 5's Instagram profile. Right click the page and view page source. Control F, find profile page underscore. And there it is. You found the Instagram user ID of this Instagram page. So make sure you are using Google Chrome to do this. But I think you can also use Firefox if you want to. So let's try it in Firefox. So here, let's do Apple. Let's click the button. And then right click, view page source, Control F, profile page underscore. So it seems that Firefox is not highlighting our search, but you can see that it's here. Alright, so the Instagram user ID of Apple is this one. So you can copy it, and you can repeat the same process if you want to find another Instagram user ID of another Instagram profile. Okay, so it works for both Google Chrome and Firefox. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions. Thank you for watching.